wolves. Choose a pizza to make. Red sauce. Put the necessary items into the basket. Garlic. Right. Basil. Perfect. Olive oil. Not this way. Correct. Halfway through. Olives. Perfect. Cheese. Correct. We need to grate this. Great! The ingredients are ready. Prepare some sauce for our pizza. Some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Pizza's ready. We need to find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. To the middle. Watch out! Cones ahead. Watch out! Oh, the bees won't let us through. Watch out! Squirrels ahead. Watch out! A stone ahead. Hurrah! We've arrived. Let's feed our friends. Good job. The pizza was delicious. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You got new pizza ingredients.